Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Chinese. Let's begin our fun adventure learning about the Chinese Zodiac. Have you ever wondered which animal represents the year you were born? Stick around to find out. The Chinese Zodiac, also called Shengxiao in Mandarin Chinese, is like a 12-year calendar, where each year has a different animal. But how were these animals picked? There's a cool story about the Jade Emperor, ruler of heaven in Chinese story, seeking a way to measure time, decided to hold a race across a river, promising to name a year after each of the first 12 animals to reach the other side. The race begins. All the animals gathered at the riverbank, eager to participate. The rat's cunning, the rat, Shu, despite being small, was very clever. It hitched a ride on the back of the ox, a strong and reliable animal, and at the last moment, jumped off and raced to the finish line, securing first place. The ox's steadiness, the ox Mu, known for its strength and steadiness, came in second. How about other animals' journeys? The tiger Hu, with its powerful strength, came in third. The rabbit Tu, known for its agility, came in fourth. The dragon, Long, despite its ability to fly, came in fifth, as it stopped to help some villagers along the way. The snake, Shi, known for its stealth, came in sixth, hitching a ride on the dragon's tail. The horse Ma, known for its speed, came in seventh. The sheep, or goat, Yang, the monkey Hao, and the rooster Ji teamed up and paddled a raft across the river, finishing in 8th, 9th, and 10th places, respectively. The dog Gu, known for its loyalty, came in 11th after playing in the river. The pig, Ju, known for its love of food and sleep, came in last, stopping to eat and nap along the way. Let's meet our zodiac animals in order and learn how to say it and about their personalities. To find your zodiac animal, just look for the year you were born. But remember, the Chinese calendar is a little different, so if you were born in January or February, double-check just to be sure. Rat Shu, clever and resourceful. Ox Mu, hardworking and dependable. Tiger Hu, brave and powerful. Rabbit Tu, gentle and kind. Dragon Long, charismatic and strong. Snake Shi, wise and mysterious. Horse Ma, energetic and free-spirited. Goat Yang, artistic and compassionate. Monkey Hao, intelligent and playful. Rooster Ji, confident and hardworking. Dog Go, loyal and honest. Pig Ju, generous and easygoing. They say each zodiac animal can tell you something about your personality. Do you think your zodiac animal matches you? The zodiac can even tell you about relationships. Some signs are like best friends, while others might need to work a little harder to understand each other. Examples of best friend pairings in the Chinese zodiac: dragon and rat. Both are ambitious and supportive of each other's goals. Rabbit and goat share a gentle and nurturing nature, creating a harmonious bond. Ox and rooster appreciate each other's hard work and reliability. Monkey and snake enjoy intellectual stimulation and shared sense of adventure, signs that might need more effort to understand each other. Tiger and snake can clash due to their strong personalities and different approaches to life. Horse and dog may struggle with balancing their independent nature with the dog's need for loyalty. Pig and goat. While both are kind, their differing levels of assertiveness could lead to misunderstandings. So now you know all about the Chinese zodiac. What's your sign? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos about different cultures. See you next time.